Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so sorry that my voice still sounds awful, but I promise you I am feeling better. So I do hope in future videos my voice will match how my whole body feels. But thank you for sticking it out, I appreciate it, and let's get into this video. So first of all, thank you wemoon for sending this package my way to share. wemoon is a phenomenal company. I am so excited to dive deep into all of this information, and they are sweet enough to give you viewers 15% off your purchase. So there will be a code in the description box below, as well as everywhere that you can purchase these items and check them out with the links, and in the pinned comment section by me you'll find the same information. So with that, let's get into this package. So first of all, a tarot deck. Oh my gosh, love this. So I'll be doing a whole unboxing video of this on itself because I want to really dive into it and see what it's included and, you know, all of the art and all of that. I don't want to just give it a quick flyby in this video, but this features art from 40 years of wemoon datebooks. wemoon has been producing these datebooks for 40 years. I am so impressed with that. So this is published by Mother Tongue Inc., creators of visionary publications for changing world. And this costs, retails $45. So we'll take a look at that in depth. It does have a nice guidebook, and look at all of this. Oh, and the color coded. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I don't want to get too far ahead, but I'm excited. Look out for this video. That will be soon. I will hopefully film it right after this video. So with that, let's keep going. They have so many greeting cards and postcards as well. I took a look at their inventory. It's so nice. This whole company, their art style and what they're about gives me a lot of nostalgia for when I was growing up, getting very interested in the spiritual community in the 90s. So for me, I instantly connected with this company. So these are the postcards. They give credit to all of the artists, all of the authors, everybody that puts the information into these products, they give the credit for, which amazing. So those are postcards. Love that. Then we have a wall calendar. I'm going to get to the planner last, but we have the wall calendar, which features, oh my gosh, all of these beautiful pieces of art. It's just so, so beautiful. And I can't wait because I need a wall calendar just as much as I need a planner because I'm a visual person for reminders. And this is not a bad price for a nice wall calendar, $17.95. And again, get yourself that coupon code for 15% off. But look at how it's going to be laid out. And I'm showing you the back because this is really a wall calendar, so I'll show you how it opens up and looks on the wall at the end. But look at, you get all of the moon phases here, all of the information that you need to know for all of your workings. So very cool. Right now I have the Llewellyn one up on my wall, but I'm excited to have this for next year. So now let's get into the planner here. Oh my gosh. So I've already read through a bunch of this. This retails for $22.95, and in my personal opinion, well worth the money, especially if you are the type of person that needs to know a lot more information about, you know, moon phases, how to work with all of this, the energies and all of that. This gives you that information in here. So it has a beautiful detailed table of contents. It gives you, you know, a heads up of what you need to know and how to go about using this guidebook, or this, how to go about using this book here. But I do want to show you and read you a little bit about who wemoon is. So wemoon means we of the moon. The moon, whose cycles run in our blood, is the original woman's calendar. We use the word wemoon to define ourselves by our own primary relation to the cosmic flow, instead of defining ourselves in relation to men, as in women or female. wemoon is sacred space in which to explore and celebrate the diversity of she-ness on Earth. We come from many different ways of life. As wemoon, we share common mother root. wemoon is created by, for and about women in our image. Wemoon celebrates the practice of honoring the earth, moon, sun as our inner circle of kin in the universe. The moon's phases reflect her dance with sun and earth, her closest relatives in the sky. Together, these three heavenly bodies weave the web of light and dark into our lives. Astrology measures the cycle by relating the sun, moon, and all other planets in our solar system through the backdrop of star signs, aka the zodiac, helping us to tell time in the larger cycles of the universe. The holy days draw us into the larger solar cycle as the moon phases wash over our daily lives. wemoon is dedicated to amplifying the images and voices of wemoon from many perspectives and cultures. We invite women to share their work with respect for both cultural integrity and creative inspiration. We are fully aware that we live in a racist, patriarchal society. Its influences have permeated every aspect of society, including the very liberation movements committed to ending oppression. Feminism is no exception, historically and presently dominated by white women's priorities and experiences. We seek to counter these influences in our work. We do not knowingly publish oppressive content of any kind. Most of us in our STAP group are lesbian or queer. We live outside the norm. At the same time, we are mostly women who benefit from white privilege. We seek to make wemoon a safe and welcoming place for all women, especially for women of color and other marginalized by the mainstream. We are eager to publish more words and images depicting people of color created by women of color. We encourage more women of color to submit their creative work to wemoon for greater inclusion and visibility. I mean, first of all, love this. So I love that they address all of this. I love that it is created for women, by women, and specifically women who live outside the mainstream, which most of us, if you are on this channel, are outside of the mainstream in some way. And what I love about this is it fully encompasses what this channel is, and it's a safe space. So I love that. And I love that I am able to highlight a company that is of this nature. So I'm so excited. Now with that, let's go into how to use this specific book. So refer to the table of contents to find more detailed resources, including the world time zones, planetary and asteroid ephemeres, signs and symbols, year at a glance, and a month at a glance calendars. So the time zones in this are in specific standard daylight time with the adjustment for GMT and EDT given at the bottom of each datebook page. And the names and day of the week and months are in English with 4 additional language translations of Bengali, Spanish, Irish, and Croatian. Then the moon theme pages mark the beginning of each moon cycle with a 2-page spread near the new moon. Each page includes the dates of the moon's new and full and solar ingress. Susan Bailey's lunar phase card features the moon phases for the entire year. And then there is a 2-page holy day spread for all equinoxes, solstices, and cross-quarter days from a northern hemisphere perspective. And then the astro overview gives a synopsis of astral occurrences throughout the year, and then the astral prediction for your particular sign on the pages. So again, it fully encompasses everything. We have a whole astrological overview for 2024 here. Again, just so much information. I'm so excited to get into this because if we know astrology, we know how best it can serve us personally and throughout our year. So lots and lots of information. It is color printed. And then we have the holy day here of the year and the equinoxes and the solstices, information on those, as well as herbs for the illuminations, introductions to the illuminations if you don't understand or not quite familiar. We also have poems in here throughout and more information. If you are learning about all of this, this will help you. I am so impressed. So we also have all of the information here about the astrology per each day and the moon phase per each day. Again, so much information here. Again, I just want to keep showing you. There's so much. Special in bulk. Again, I am not the one to come as the pronunciation police because I'm horrible at it. But all of this here is just full of beautiful art, full of information. And then I want to get to the back here We have staff appreciation. This is information on the wemoon tarot. Just so much wonderful information, as well as the ancestors of the people that they are honoring, byline credits, just credits galore. So if you are trying to figure out who wrote what, or the artwork, you can find it back here. Love that. And then we also have more Sky Talk here and astrology basics. So again, if you are a beginner, don't understand, or need more information, more signs and symbols. So everything you need in order to use this planner is within the planner, is what I'm trying to say. Constellations, moon transits, and then we get back here, goddesses, know yourself. And then we have the ephemeraries, which if you don't know what ephemeraries are, there's the 101 on the side here. It goes into all of them for every month. And then we have in the back here, if you just want a moon at the glance, the moon phase at a glance, you got it. It's all right here for you through every single month. And then we get back here, again, more throughout. I mean, whichever way works best for you, there's a way in this planner. And then we do have the quote unquote conventional holidays here in the back. How to calculate time zone corrections. And then it goes into the next year. Love this snake, by the way. And so we do have as well the all of the other items that they sell. So if you are interested, there's even The Last Witch, which is a children's book, if I'm correct. So great prices as well. Like I'm shook. To be honest with you, I'm really shook. I have used like a Llewellyn planner before, and that was similar, but it was not as much detail as this. I don't have it next to me, otherwise I would like break it out. But it did have, you know, information here and there about like the holy days and things like that. But there's stuff in the back here for notes as well. So there was stuff in the Llewellyn one that I was appreciative of, but I feel like this is just way more in depth. And I love what this is all about. I mean, this is just stunning and gorgeous. I am so excited to get to use this. And now I want to open this up. So hold on real fast. All right. So she is open. Oh my gosh. Even more information. That is so cool. All right. So just in January, there's that. And then all of this down here. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to hang it up on my wall and I'll show you what it looks like. All right. So there she is. It is a nice size. It's nice, bright, clear. It's a lot clearer to see those moon phases than the Llewellyn one. I'll show you what I was doing with the Llewellyn one. And I'm not bashing on Llewellyn. I'm just saying that's how far away you have to see where the moon phases are on it. It still gives you a lot of information. I still like the Llewellyn, but man, what a difference. Me and my eyesight love this. So I am so excited about this. I am thankful for this company sending this my way. I'm giddy. I'm excited about this. So now I would love to know what your thoughts are on this. I can already hear some people in the comments talking about, well, where's the masculine? What about the men? And this is not for that purpose. This is for a specific purpose. We can have a women for women specific calendar as well. So I don't want you to take that as offense or get upset with that. I'm just saying, if you are a divine feminine being that wants to have a woman-centric, divine feminine-centric planner, wall calendar, this is for you, especially with what this is about. So I am so thrilled. I can't wait to start using this and read it in depth. I would love to know what you all think about it. Is this something that you're excited about? Have you even heard of wemoon before? Thank you again to wemoon for sending this our way. I am so excited to tap in. So with that, thank you all for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to check out those links and the code for your 15% off. Thank you all for hanging out with me today, and thank you for bearing with my voice. And let me know what you think down in the comment section. And if you've made it this far, drop a moon. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.